Happy New Year! Welcome to the second video showcasing the 308 airgun creation. My first video was flagged by YouTube and thankfully my appeal lifted the restrictions as I'm not creating firearms. In future videos I will be careful not to use certain words that flag content. This video continues where the last video leaves off, starting in mid-2017. The goal I had for 2017 was to hopefully have the airgun firing a pellet by end of the summer. In the video clip, I'm milling the upper rail with a homemade large radii end mill. Worked really well for machining aluminum. For the preliminary trigger and sear parts, I used stainless steel that I had on hand. Stainless is tough material and good enough for prototyping at this point. Later, the final trigger and sears will be made from tool steel. Getting a trigger and sear to function correctly is tricky and requires trial and error until the correct results are attained. I used crazy glue to hold the stainless in place, milling the material to the correct thickness and then cut out the parts to the required shape. The screws that control the breech action have been made a few times until I could figure out what the cause was. Had to increase the slot length in the tube the screws traveled in. This was the first attempt at a cocking lever. It has changed a few times as it needs to be rather robust to be able to move the inside parts back and forth, especially under spring tension. After I machined the lever from a steel tube, it needed reinforcing. That is why you see a steel bar welded to it. The valve bodies are borrowed from an Air Force Airgun Condor that I had made a while ago to test different valves. The body required some lathing to make it usable for a BigBore PCP airgun. I was able to reach my goal of a test fire by end of summer. The power wasn't there yet, but it shot nonetheless. The airgun still requires a lot of work. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to catch the next video upon release. Thanks for watching.